What if I told you you could create an entire software application without writing a single line of code? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's actually possible. Imagine you're painting a picture, so instead of learning how to mix colors and use brushes, you simply describe the image you want and a smart robot does the painting for you. This is exactly what vibe coding is like in the world of programming. Vibe coding means that you don't need to know how to code at all. You just need to know what you want to create and give clear instructions. The AI tools take care of the rest. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. It's like giving your painting robot a perfect description of what you want. The clearer your instruction, the better the results. The better the prompt and the better the AI can generate the exact code you need. It's like talking to a super smart assistant who does all the coding for you. But then you have to give it to the right instructions. So if you have an idea but don't know how to code, don't worry. Vibe coding is here to make that happen. In this video, I'll show you how AI tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor AI are making this possible. And I'll also walk you through a demo of creating a simple to-do list application from scratch using GitHub Copilot agent mode. So why is vibe coding gaining popularity? Now you might be thinking, why is vibe coding becoming so popular? Well, imagine how the world has evolved with new technologies. In the past, only experienced chefs could bake complex cakes. But now, with the help of AI, even someone who doesn't know how to cook can make a delicious meal. Similarly, in the world of programming, AI is making coding accessible to everyone. You don't need to be an expert to build software anymore. AI tools are making it possible for anyone with a good idea to turn that idea into reality. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor AI have made it possible for anyone, even complete beginners, to create apps, websites, and software without ever writing code. These tools allow you to simply describe what you want in plain language and then they will generate the necessary code for you. It's like having a super powerful assistant that does all the hard work for you. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. One of the most famous stories comes from indie hacker named Peter Level. He used vibe coding to create a flight simulator game using JavaScript. He didn't have to code every part of the game manually. Instead, he described what he wanted and the AI tools helped him create the code. He was even able to sell in-game ads and make money from it, all thanks to vibe coding. But not everything works perfectly. There are stories of apps being built using vibe coding, only to face serious issues later. For example, an indie hacker once used a SaaS product using vibe coding, but the app had too many bugs and glitches because it didn't really fully understand the AI-generated code. Now, this led to customer complaints and eventually the app had to be taken down. The lesson here is that while vibe coding can work wonders, it still requires some knowledge and control to ensure that the final product is solid. Also, quick information guys, if you are interested in mastering the future of technology, consider Simplilearn's professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning. This is the perfect opportunity for you. Offered in collaboration with the ENICT Academy, IIT Kanpur, this 11-month live and interactive program provides hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and even Hugging Face. You'll also gain practical experience through 15+ project, integrated lab, and live masterclasses delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. So hurry up and enroll now and find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So now we will get started with the demo part and see how GitHub Copilot and Cursor AI help in vibe coding. So now let's get into the tools that make vibe coding possible. At first, we've got this GitHub Copilot, which is one of the most powerful AI tools out there for vibe coding. Now it works like as if you're reading a description or prompt and generating the corresponding code. For example, now if I want to create a to-do app list, I'll simply tell Copilot to create a to-do list app with an add and delete feature, and then GitHub Copilot will take care of the coding part and generate the code for you. Next up, we also have this Cursor AI, which helps by translating your plain language prompts into functional code. It's like creating a simple instruction page, like create a login page with a form for username and password, and then the AI will generate the necessary HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript code for you. Now, with the help of these tools, vibe coding is much more easier than ever. You don't need to be a professional coder to create software. All you need is a good idea and the right prompts to guide the AI. So now I'm going to show you how you can use GitHub Copilot agent mode to build a simple to-do list application. It's very simple. So first you'll have to head over to VS Code Insiders. Make sure you use the insider mode and not the VS Code one. And then from there, just click on extensions and make sure that you have installed this Copilot agent mode from here. We also have for the voice mode, you can just search for extensions so that you can enable voice mode as well. And then after clicking the Copilot mode, just select the agent mode from here, not the edit, the agent mode, and then select the Claude 3.5. I'm using Claude 3.5 because it's actually good for coding. And I'll just say to this GitHub Copilot agent mode to create a simple to-do list application. All right. And I'll just click on this enter from here. You can also use the voice mode. So now that you can see, I've provided a prompt to create a simple to-do list application, and it's saying that I'll help you create a simple to-do list application, and there are some files in place, but then they seem to be empty. So it will help me to create a functional to-do list application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see that they are applying the edits now, and it's already a good HTML structure in place. So what it will do basically is like if you have already added or had created HTML basic application before, it can use that particular code to refine and re-edit and apply any edits if needed and modify the code to create any application which you would want to build. And if not so, then it will apply and then it will create a new workspace. So now as you can see that our JavaScript structure is also done. Just within seconds, the HTML, JavaScript file, the CSS structure, everything is done. Now if you want to provide any such prompts, like if you want some styling and basic features to be added. So I've given a prompt to actually create a minimalist to-do list application with dark blue background, and the body of the app should be light blue color inside, task container. And then I have also given that the header should be in the dark blue with bold text saying to-do list. And if you want any more such modification, you can just do that. Maybe I'll just change the color to red. All right. And then I'll just send the prompt. So there's no need to actually code, just provide the prompt to the GitHub Copilot mode. You can also use Cursor AI to do the same. There also it works in a similar manner, you just have to give the prompt and it will do everything for you. So as you can see that it's modifying my existing to-do list application, and then it's also applying the styles to match the requested design and doing all the input buttons and applying every changes which I had given. So it's actually generating the edits in my CSS file. All right, so I think all the changes have been applied now. So what I'll do is I'll just use this voice mode and I'll say it to run my application. Can you please run my application now? And I'll just click enter. So you can see you don't even have to type now. You can just speak what changes you want and then it will do it for you. So now we'll just have to run this command in the background terminal to actually run our file. So it's actually using the Node server to run our application. So in the terminal, you can see that all these applications will be done. And now that you can see our to-do list app is actually ready and it looks pretty basic for now. But if you still want much more features and modifications to be added, you can do that. So from here, you can just enter any of your tasks and you can just click on add task from here. Without even writing a single line of code, my to-do application list, a simple list is ready now, as you can see from here, and it's really cool. So guys, you can see with the help of vibe coding, you didn't have to manually write any of the code. Now GitHub Copilot did all the hard work for you and you saw a fully functional to-do list app in just a few minutes, maybe just 2 or 3 minutes. And that's so simple, easy to do. Vibe coding is changing the way we build software. It makes coding accessible to everyone, no matter their technical background. By collaborating with AI tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor AI, anyone can create software by simply describing what they want in plain language. So that's a wrap up on this video, guys. If you have any doubts or questions, ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.